So today I'm pointing out the details that are required in order to properly install a driveway gate motor. So usually what a lot of people will request is a concrete slab going down in order to have the track roll on it. So that's actually quite a bit of work. You have to dig out all the soil, remove all the soil, then fill it in with some rebar, and then pour the whole thing with concrete. So this is a 22-foot horizontal gate that's going to happen here. And you can see how much dirt that would have had to be in order to pour an actual slab. Of course, it looks better and all that, but it's not really required in order to get this thing to be solid. So the way we do it in order to save money is to use just pads of concrete. As you see here, we dig out a little bit of dirt, we pour a pad. About every 3 feet, we pour this little pads, and then we're able to bolt this track to all these little sections here, and it's very solid and it saves a lot of money.